BuckyDrop is the preferred choice for a private label dropshipping business. There are a few services that help gain more business. Product sourcing. We are sourcing experts who deal with the suppliers. Whether it is Alibaba or Taobao, we evaluate Chinese suppliers and only offer affordable prices with premium quality. Branding. In addition to sourcing, you'll get the packaging and logo printing on your boxers to provide a unique experience to your customers. It helps bring more customers to your business. Automated processing. You don't have to process the products manually. Instead, we enable an automated synchronization of your store and automate the order processing process. Quality control. We implement different types of quality control systems. Pre-production assessment brings the quality raw materials under inspection, while we verify the production process during production. Pre-shipment analysis ensures only the high-end products reach your customers' doorsteps. Global shipping. Our global shipping network actively works for your products. We make it a streamlined process with efficient fulfillment. And here's a crucial tip for building your own private label brand. Always pinpoint your target audience. Knowing who you're selling to is the key to success. Ready to take the leap? BuckyDrop makes it easier than ever with one-click sourcing. We're offering free brand customization service, Package Experience. Visit BuckyDrop.com and use promo code 5YKSL.